Fan installation instruction. Open the box first. Choose one of the two sets accessories to install. Flush mount bracket installation. Loosen the wires first. Remove the screws of flush mount canopy. Remove 3 PCS big screws. Loosen the set screws. Install the flush mount canopy. Align the screw holes. Install the washer and tighten the screws firmly. Remove the fixing nut. Install the blades. Tighten the nut and blade fits lock. Wall mount bracket installation. These screws do not need to remove. Remove the set screws of accessories. Install the decorative cover and rod first. Install a cross pin and secured with DRP. Check and tighten the set screws. Install the hammer bracket. Thread the wire through the hammer bracket. Install the cross pin. Tighten the set screws. Put in the receiver. Install the canopy. Tighten the screws. Wiring tension. Plug the connector from the motor into the corresponding socket of receiver. Check and tighten it. Plug the other connector into the receiver. If the fan cannot run normally, check the two connector plugged into the receiver and plug them again. The green and yellow or green wires on the receiver are off wire. Put together and connect to ground. Connect wire to a C wire. White to neutral, black to leaf.